now.
Hey. Hey.
6 for 10?
Yeah, and then I'll give you another $1 to have another 2. Oh yeah.
Vanilla. Nice.
Sorry.
Yeah. It's because it's in your mind.
Grab one. It should be like 8,000 a bread each. You used toothpick to pick it up. I think people want a good opportunity. So.
Oh, you have to eat the shell?
No. You just pick it up. Don't drop it.
Oh no, there are enough bread in there.
Yeah, hold on.
No, you gotta half it. Oh, that's
half
what
the bread
it is.
then.
Yeah. Half your one. Yeah. Oh my gosh. Take a picture, wait. Yeah, everyone's saying they're using their hand. Yeah, thanks. Yeah, put it to your hand.
Alright, we've got the... Like this.
Hey, look at this.
Is there another one?
No. Thanks. I should have just got that and I'll take it.
Yeah.
Oh, it's got in my hair. Here, put your thing down over here. That's it.
Go.
And Mama, come down here. Ready? Reach over. Oh, here, Mama. Ready? 1, 2.
They're Russian.
Yeah, there's nothing in it. Tonight? It's actually pretty good.
It just tastes like mushroom, honestly.
Okay, you're on it. That's really good. Did you eat it? No, I'm gonna wait until everyone.
That's like $2. $2 goes a long way.
Okay, my